In this episode, we are going to talk about text formatting. We have a p tag here, and I put a text here. We can write more text here, as you can see. Okay, I will give a class to this p tag, for example, my text, and I can go to my style file and select that my text, and here I can apply any styles I want. First one, I want to talk about color property, which changes my text color. As you can see, I can put it blue or red or whatever I want. I can change the color of my text. I can create a put a font size for my text. Here I can say uh, 50 pixel. As you can see, it's so huge. 20 pixel. We can change the size of text with font size. And after that, we have a property called text align, which is very useful and very important. We have some value for that: center, left, right, and a stretch. I can put it center. As you can see, my text is centered now. If I put this to equal to right, it's now in the right. So I can control the text align with this property, which can be useful according to your needs. The next one is font weight, which has a value from 100 to 900, as you can see. The bigger value I put here, my text is more thick, as you uh, can see the result here. And 100, it's thinner. It's seen right now. It's about font weight, which can be useful for you. We have another property which is called letter spacing. I can put the value for 20 pixel. This property will put a space between our letters. Okay, if you can see in the right section, we have 20 pixel gap between each letter of my uh, sentence. As you can see, we have another property which is word spacing. Okay, again 20 pixel. Now I have a gap between each my word. Okay, no, not only letters. Each of my word, we have a 20 pixel gap between them, so you can use them if it's needed in your projects. We have a property which is called text transform here, and we can say, for example, make it uppercase. It's uppercase now. We can say, for example, lowercase, and it can be useful too if you want, for example, make your sentence uppercase. All the words must be uppercase, or maybe you want to make them lowercase according to your needs.